Hello everyone and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Want to make Samsung Notes easier to use, safer, and better synced across your devices? In this video, I'll walk you through the most important Samsung Notes settings you should check on your Galaxy S26. We'll go over sync options, note layouts, password protection, autosave, and other useful features so you can customize Samsung Notes to match the way you work and keep your notes secure. So let's dive right in. First, swipe up from the home screen to open the Apps tray, then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. From the list of apps, find and tap Samsung Notes. Next, tap Samsung Notes Settings. This is the main settings page where you can customize how Samsung Notes works on your device. Let's start with the Sync section. Tap Sync with Samsung Cloud. Here, you can choose how Samsung Notes syncs your notes across your devices. You can set it to sync using Wi-Fi only, or allow syncing over Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you want to save mobile data, using Wi-Fi only is the better option. You'll also see a Sync Now button, which lets you manually sync your notes anytime you want. Next, tap Sync Shared Notes. Choose your preferred connection method. You can select Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and mobile data. Again, Wi-Fi only is recommended if you want to avoid using extra mobile data. Now, let's move on to the general settings. Tap Default Note Style. This is where you can customize how your notes look and behave by default. You can choose between split pages and infinite scroll. Split pages gives you a more traditional notebook feel, while infinite scroll lets you keep writing on a single continuous page. You can also change the default page color to whichever one you prefer. If you're using split pages, you can select a page layout such as portrait, landscape, or long. You can also adjust the scroll direction. Choose vertical if you prefer scrolling up and down, or horizontal if you like swiping from side to side. The best part is that these changes are applied instantly. You can open Samsung Notes anytime to see how your new layout looks and decide which setup works best for you. Next, let's set up password and biometrics. Go back to the Samsung Notes settings screen, then tap Password and Biometrics. If prompted, verify your identity using your fingerprint or Samsung account password. Next, create a password with at least 4 characters. If you want a quicker and more convenient way to unlock your notes, you can also enable Unlock with fingerprints. Tap Continue, re-enter your password, then tap OK to save the changes. Password protection is now enabled for Samsung Notes. This adds an extra layer of security, especially if you store personal information, work notes, or other sensitive content. Next, look for Autosave Notes. If you want Samsung Notes to automatically save new notes as you create them, simply turn this option on. If you prefer to save notes manually, you can leave it turned off. Finally, let's check out the advanced settings. Tap Advanced. Here, you'll find additional features and customization options for Samsung Notes. You can sync your notes with Microsoft OneNote, customize the toolbar, adjust interface settings, and manage several other note-related features. Take some time to explore these options and configure them based on your own preferences and workflow. And that's pretty much it. You've now learned the key Samsung Notes settings on your Galaxy S26, from syncing and note styles to security features and advanced options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out our other videos for more Samsung tips, tricks, and easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.